In this video from Guys Binance, we'll discuss how to change your payment method on Binance. First, open the Binance application on your device and log into your account. After logging in, go to the Trades section and select the P2P, peer-to-peer option. Once inside the P2P section, tap on the three dots located on the left side of the screen and choose the Payment Methods option. Here, you'll see all the payment methods currently linked to your account. If you want to edit a payment method, simply tap on the desired method and select the Edit option. Make the necessary changes, save the updated details, and your payment method will be updated accordingly. If you wish to delete a payment method, tap on the Delete option next to the specific payment method and it will be removed from your account. To add a new payment method, tap on Add Payment Method, search for the preferred method, and enter the required account details. After confirming the information, your new payment method will be added successfully. This process also ensures that outdated methods can be replaced seamlessly. That's all for this video on how to change payment methods on Binance. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.